Get ready, animation fans. Our ultimate Toy Story 5 deep dive for 2025 uncovers how Pixar is masterfully balancing beloved nostalgia with groundbreaking new animation technology. This highly anticipated film faces an existential threat to our toy friends with Bonnie's new tablet, Lilypad, exploring the complex dance between tech and creativity. The filmmakers purposely held back on visual overhauls to preserve the franchise's iconic look, yet they innovated where it counts. Don't miss out. Check the description below for links to tickets and exclusive merchandise right now. We'll meet Blaze, a spunky new human character whose unprecedented curly hair animation showcases Pixar's new tools, setting the stage for future diverse characters. Prepare for breathtaking, stylized watercolor-like play sequences that transport you into Bonnie's vivid imagination, a visual feat achieved with immense effort. Pixar also deploys cutting-edge tools like Luna for lighting and the combined CPU-GPU RenderMan XPU, allowing artists to create faster and with more precision. Expect stunning outdoor farm scenes with visceral lighting, and even an epic sequence featuring an army of 50 Buzz Lightyears on horseback, pushing visual boundaries without sacrificing story. The studio even leverages AI for noise reduction, emphasizing technology as an artistic aid, not a replacement. This movie promises to be a stunning visual and emotional journey, celebrating Pixar's decades of innovation while staying true to its heart. Get ready for Toy Story 5, hitting theaters June 19, 2025.